This is a very nice, yes. Do you have a license for this picture? Because this is a me. It's a me, a Mario. I do not remember giving some fusion-eating fuck the permission to use my image. I'm going to sue the pants out of you, you motherfucker. Me. No. You said that you were trapped in a castle.
Yeah.
What the f*** are you doing here? I make a papelon here. How I fucking dare you?
So, what do you think about Brat?
That American mother. Look, I loved him in a Parks and Recreation. Bauset is sexy. Yo se lo doy a Bauset. What's your favorite place on the island?
Fíjate, es que hay tantos lugares en Puerto Rico. Yo diría que Crash Boat sería un Boquerón, el Poblado y La Perla también.
I have been to La Perla to get a magic mushroom. Scusi, where are all the red shells? And the power star? This is just a driving. We are killing a Mario Kart. If I shake your hand, do I get high as balls? Because you're a mushroom. Let's find out, okay? Shake my hand. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, this is too much. This is too much. Okay. I need a nap and maybe some brownies and a warm blanket. Okay. Nighty night. Oh no. Mamma mia. I am looking into eternity, Toad. Just give me a moment. Is that you, Princess Peach? No, she's over there fucking a Bowser. That filthy whore.